In this lesson, we'll be installing the tools we need to work with your Shopify store. The first tool is Homebrew, and Homebrew is a package manager. Well, we can think about it like a toolkit, and then one of the tools we need is Node.js, which is also a package manager that we'll use to install the Shopify CLI, which we use to connect and then make changes to your Shopify store. So let's get started. Open up your browser and go to brew.sh. Then you'll see this command here. Simply copy it. Then we'll go back to terminal. So go to applications, utilities, terminal, or you can type command spacebar and search for terminal. Then you paste in the command here. It'll prompt you to type in your password. And note that while you're typing, you won't see anything here, but you are typing and you just hit enter. Then it'll prompt you again to press enter to continue. And this will install Homebrew. Next, what we'll need, you'll see we've successfully installed it here. And the next thing we'll need is Node.js. And then again, Node.js is another tool that we use, which is a package manager that we'll use to install the Shopify CLI. So in terminal, we'll do brew install node. This will run the process, and I've already installed Node, so you see I've already installed it here, but for you, it'll run the installation process. Then once you're done, you want to type node-v. And when you see the version here, that's good. Then you'll type npm-v. And again, we see the version, so that means we've successfully installed Node. And then now let's install the Shopify CLI. So go back to your browser, search in Google for Shopify CLI, click the first link. And we'll see for the installation process here, just copy this command. And you can see we're using Node, which is the npm, the Node package manager. And we'll come back to terminal and paste that in and hit enter. We can see we've successfully installed that. And to confirm, you type Shopify version. And we see this version print out. So this means we've successfully installed Homebrew, Node.js, and then the Shopify CLI. In the next video, we'll show you how to connect to your store and grab your themes to work with.